while you and me repeat.
Hi, good afternoon. Good afternoon. It is already time check. It is 4:39. Let's go outside. It's snowing. It's big flakes.
So temperatures are plenty warm for this to melt right on.
Misty, go. What are you afraid of? Go. Oops.
Pretty steady around here today, creating a wind chill where it feels like the teens and 20s. So stepping outdoors, feeling a lot like December should. And it's going to be very cold for the next 24 hours. And then we'll see those winds die down, a little bit of a
How come you don't wanna come to Mama? How come? How come? Hello, 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 hello. What my Roxy want? I love you so much, good girl. I love my princess. I do love my princess. I love my princess. You want some buns? Do you want some buns? Oh, where's Dada? It's not snowing anymore. It's not snowing anymore. Good morning. It is December 31. And I just get up from the shower, so that's why my hair looks like this. And I'm gonna go downstairs. Good morning. Yes, baby. Go, Roxy. Down, Roxy. No, down, Roxy. No. It's not morning anymore, guys. Oh, there is something on my lens. Hold on, guys. Anyway, guys, good afternoon. It's not morning anymore. Oh, sorry, Roxy. I stepped on your tail. I stepped on your tail, baby. I did. Ako na, naglalaba din ako. I am doing laundry. And yeah, so I probably go later to the grocery to get some vegetables. Yeah, I will see you later, guys. The car is on. Why? What's the thing? What are you trying to do? Okay, I'm just... Is that you?
Must be. It's not me.
No, it's just like I thought it's you making noises. I just adjust the mirror. So I can't talk to you because I'm driving. I don't want to drive and then talking to you.
Bye. Love you. Talk to you later.
I love you too, B-boy. I will talk to you later. I'm just gonna do quick grocery. And
Yeah. Be careful.
yeah. And
Bye.
bye. Love you. Bye-bye. Okay, that's Tommy. That's my Tamimi. I can't put you anywhere, guys, because I'm driving. So I will see you later. I'm just gonna put my phone here. I don't bring anything, so let me listen some music. Okay, guys, I will see you later, guys. I'm gonna get you here, and yeah, I'll see you in the store. I'm just gonna get a quick grocery thing from the store, just a vegetables. That's it. Okay, guys, I'm here. I have to shut this car off. Hold on. Oh my God, busy ngayon dito, guys. Maraming tao. So, yeah, daming tao ngayon. Hi guys, I am done doing groceries, so now it's time to go home. And hold on, my wallet. It's time to go home. Whew. You don't have any idea how busy it is in there. It's ridiculous busy. I don't know. I'm going home because I have milk in here. Well, it's not really hot, so it's not a problem, but it's gonna be a problem very soon if I don't go home. And what else, guys? Is that there? Where's my phone? Okay. It's nice if I have a camera holder, because if I have a camera holder, I can talk to you and we can just go driving ride with you guys. I can just, you know, but I don't have it. Well, I have one, but it's broken. I ruined it. Just vegetables, and I can't stay there long. Oh my god, you don't have any idea. It's just like you can't even walk around over there. Lang yung binili ko, guys. Potato, asparagus, cucumber, tomato, carrots, and zucchini, corn, onion, salad, challah bread. Hello. Takot yung aso kapag sinuot ko to. Takot sa akin. It's already 4 o'clock. I'm gonna start cooking soon too. I'm gonna make salad. Oh, tignan nyo guys, oh. You know what I think who did this? The cat, not the dog. Look at what happened over here. You did this, Hubs? Huh? Ay, ay, ay. What are you guys doing, huh? Magkakat lang ako ng pang salad, guys. So, ikakat ko lang to sila. New Year ngayon. New Year's Eve later, and most people are making something like, you know, food to eat. Me, I'm just preparing regular dinner. And that's really it. Yung asawa ko mamaya pa ang dating. He'll be here. It's gonna be so traffic later on when he get out. So he's gonna be here probably 8 later. So yeah, so probably we'll wait for him for dinner, but I'm gonna make this ready and ready to eat when he get home. It just got up. Today is the first day of January. Happy New Year! Happy New Year, everyone! Happy New Year, Roxy. Happy New Year, babies. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, baby. Happy New Year, baby girl. Happy New Year. Yes, yes, my love. You love me. I know you do love Mama. I know. It's January 1st. Glory McNay. Hi, Glory McNay sa comment. Thank you. Oo, meron akong masakit yung ano ko. Pag first day ng monthly ko masakit. At saka paminsan-minsan din pag pangalawang araw, the second day, hindi naman masyadong sakit. And also, thank you for the comment. Casey Ricca Ford. Casey Ricca Ford, Narsha. Hi, thank you sa advice. Yes, I did check the OBGYN 3 times since, and everything is okay. And yeah, thank you. Sa lips ko naman, I just remember yung mag-snow o ka ng winter, pag winter na, at saka palagi mong you always lick your lips. and it get worse also. I noticed that also. The one that I use now, the blue chapstick, it's good. So thank you sa advice, and Happy New Year to all. Beth, thank you for the comment. And Cora Jackman, hi sis, Happy New Year. Tush, Miti, Tush, I love you, Mitiko. I love you, Mitiko. Hi guys, Tam is here. We're still watching the Twilight Zone, and I'm trying to edit some video at the same time. It's weird. You guys should watch Twilight Zone black and white. It's a weird show. Tommy said it's really good. There's a lot of good thing, good, you know, episode. But
my name is Dec, and I don't like you.
There's my baby. Happy New Year, B-boy. This is our New Year's, guys. That's so crazy puppy. Roxy, annoying. You don't even listen to me. Roxy, come here. Oh, you want me to hold your bone? Oh, you want me to hold your bone, my love? Oh, you want me to hold your bone? Oh, what a sweetheart. I'm not your maid. I'm not your maid. Mysticals. Don't bite my finger, huh? She want me to hold the bone and you bite the end. The other end. Ah, that's my finger! Ah, that's my finger! Roxy, that's my finger! Hey!
Would you be interested in hearing the most of my words?
You have a really white teeth, guys. Misty, I have only one bone, mates. There is another one over there, huh? That ear is folding. I'm gonna sit with my baby. Our New Year's faces together.
We gotta get out of the aliens coming in from a different planet. Looking for test subjects.
Today is January 1, 2017, guys. With my baby. I'm gonna take pictures.
And a flying rat. I'm a monkey, don't be ridiculous.
You keep begging. What do you want in my life?
Give us a week and we'll change your bed forever. Want more freshness? Add new
Wow, that look, Roxy, is just a cutie. Do you want to do something? What do you want? What do you want? It's a New Year's Day. It's the first day of 2017, so no barky. Hi, Dada. Roxy is beside you, Dada. Hi, Rox. Dada loves you. Dada loves you. Misty. Misty, what are you doing? What are you doing, my love? Josh? Guys, it's really nice out here. It is nice out here. So what I'm going to do, guys, it's clean the car. Yeah, I'm going to clean the car. Really dusty. As you see, it is really ugly. Not ugly, it's just really dirty. It need to be polished. So that's what I'm gonna do. What I'm gonna do is put everything in the bag and take, because he has some few stuff in here that I can that I can clean and vacuum here. Okay, now I think I can put you right there. What is this? I'm sitting at Sammy's cigarette. Off. Off. I will shut it off. Okay guys, I'm done cleaning up outside the car. Not really done, I just vacuum, and then after that I have to ask Tammy later on what kind of, like, you know, to scrub, not scrub, wipe the thing for leather and to make it more cleaner, because vacuum won't really help, so you have to just, you know, wipe it. So anyway guys, I'm going to edit video and I will see you later. Ito yung lunch ko guys. The leftover steak, I cut it just that, like this, and I fry it with a lot of garlic, onion, a stir fry, and then I have rice here and water. And so yeah, I'm gonna just watch YouTube on my phone, and so this is really good. I love recooking steak. So yeah, I have pimples right here guys. I don't know if you can see it right here. Sakit, as in sobrang sakit. I was editing the video, and then I was right there, you know, sitting down, and then someone is kicking me. Yeah, look what happened. I was down there sitting down, and he's in the edge, keep pushing me, like, you know, like not pushing, like using her paws to kneading. He keep pushing me, so it's hurting me, so I have to transfer right there. And this is what his position right now. This is the way he's sleeping. Hubs. Is that how you sleep? Put your body properly. I know you're cold. I know, baby boy. I love you so much, baby. We love him. We just give him what he wants. Yes, we do. Meow, 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 meow. Si mama, oy, annoying. Oy. You keep touching me. Now I'm stink, so I have to clean myself. Oh, what is this? What is your tongue? Look at his tongue, guys. Look at his tongue. Look at his tongue. Mama bothers you so bad. You don't like being annoyed? You don't want me to annoy you? You just want to... Don't do that, please. It hurts. I know you don't want to be annoyed. I know you don't want to be... I love annoying you. I love annoying you. No. And it's a cat also. Kitten. Joy. I love you, bug. Don't bite me. Don't bite me. Please don't hurt Mama, bug. Don't hurt Mama. Okay, get down, I guess. Okay, down. You jealous? Are you jealous? Are you jealous? These curtains really, I don't know if I can wash these curtains, because there is a connecting this one here, but I think I can. I'm not sure. That I don't know. Maybe I need to hand wash these curtains. I like these curtains, you know, the color, and they're not like too dark in the room because it's see-through. We had, and I was watching a Fast and Furious, and yeah, it's almost 8 o'clock. It's 7:49 now, and yeah, so tomorrow is Monday. I'm watching Mariah's World, so that's what I'm watching. Tommy is home, guys, but look, the animals are like happy. Habs, enough. That's Daddy's drink. You worse. You're getting worse. Yeah. So he's home, and he's up tomorrow.
Hey, on.
He usually give me a kiss, guys, but no. What is that? The jealous puppy.
Come on, Habs, don't look at treats.
Habs, come here, Habs.
Both of you come here. Oh, because you all want something. Everybody wants something. Don't you all want something? What something do you want?
Yeah, no.
Everybody wants something.
They eat their food, hon.
Everybody wants some. Everybody wants some.
They ate their dinner. They're good.
Little man. Come here, little man. Come here, Habs.
Habs, come here, Dada.
You want a couple greeny treats? I'll give you a couple greeny treats. Not you.
That's why the animals always looking forward to see Dada, because they always get something. It's like they're always waiting for him. They always follow him. If you don't know, if you are new in my channel, yeah, the house is still a lot of boxes because we're in the process of moving. Bedtime everywhere. Good night, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye, guys. Night night. But look, we have a very good table. It's white. And it's plastic.